Defend the tower. Pretty self-explanatory, eh? Yeah, so this is actually footage from back in May. We had to defend this tower from enemy advancing from basically all directions. I'll do a bit of commentary here and there. So what these enemy here don't know is we actually have a teammate hiding down in the woods in the pit that they're crossing. They're basically in between us and him right now.
Close.
Here's his point of view. The enemy are making their way across the top of the pit here. They're going to try to get to a fort, which is a really good position against our tower. But unfortunately for them, they're about to get flanked.
Oh, one's dead.
Make that one.
Two's dead. Nice! Well done, Adam. Well done.
Nice try!
We hear some movement underneath of us. It's one of our teammates. The first time he's ever seen this tower. Unfortunately, there's only allowed 2 people on top at once.
What? You never been here before?
Who's up here?
What?
Oh, it's you. Yeah.
Hello.
I've never been up here.
Hello, Clacky.
Who's up here?
Come on up, brother.
I'm not supposed to have more than 2 people up here. Alright, I'll stay here.
I put a fake hand in that window for you, Clark.
What's that?
Put a fake hand in that window for you there. Do you have any eyes on?
Nope. I heard that voices.
I think I might have just turned that bomb on.
Little note there, don't play with bombs in your own base.
Yeah, I got no range on him.
As the enemies start to try to push the other side of the field, our teammates rush down to prevent it.
Oh, is he getting closer?
Adam's all over the place here. Now he's helping the boys out on the left.
Hey, that man don't talk, me!
What happened there?
That man don't talk!
You got the fuckers out of ammo.
This game had an ammo limit, and I think one of the guys ran out of ammo and called himself out, but was yelling to his teammates, so our guys shot him, and he didn't know why.
That guy alive or dead? He must be dead. There's Joe.
This fucking bushwhacking in the helipad.
There's Joe. You still got range. Oh, look out! Look out! Holy shit, that was close.
Now you can see the enemy are starting to try and take that fort back.
Peel it back.
Adam hears some of the commotion over here, and he's looking for a pistol.
In the woods. Who's got a pistol? Who's got a pistol?
Clark?
Maybe only one live pistol?
You need a pistol? A live pistol? Yeah.
And typically when you want a pistol, you're gonna rush.
I need you back up there.
And as I suspected, there he goes, across the field. Wait for that fort.
Surrender.
And his surrender is graciously accepted. Then he spots an enemy on the far side of the fort. but our teammates actually shoot him from the side there.
Your gun.
And then I think we shot it at
It
him.
happens. Right there.
No, they're going to get my third.
I know what I said before, but come on, who doesn't love pushing buttons?
Also, there's a
Yo!
also apparently there's a big skunk.
Thanks, buddy.
Hey, no problem. Good job. That was awesome.
Thanks a lot for checking out the video. If you enjoyed it, share, like, subscribe, and see you on the next one.
Holy shitballs.